Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide a demo for a simple code like nowadays many data set is found in happy faces only. So but when we are downloading from it, we are getting it from .parquet format only, but we have to, in case I have to convert that data into .csv. It is for more villages, that is adverse drug effect data, which I downloaded from happy faces, but need to convert it into csv. So what I did is I'm just making a code that is, just a simple one line to convert it from parquet to CSV. So here you can file initially we are having only two files. So one is an .ipnb file, and next is the data which we are going to convert to CSV, right? So then this is the code to convert this file to CSV file. It's a simple thing only. We have to import the libraries called pandas, and using this panda library PD, we are just reading this file, and then we have to save it to CSV. I'm just giving it as file name. So if you want some different file name or the same file name means, you can just change this file name option as of yours. So now I'm just giving the run button. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes to run. But you have to check whether you are having all the libraries you are having. So I think now it is down run. So now initially we were checking this folder. No, initially it was not having any CSV file, but now you check means it is having a CSV file. So this is an adverse drug effect data set. This code we will be seeing and then next demo continuously, as we will do with the previous code. Thank you.